very spacious living room. So right here is going to be your very spacious kitchen where you get room. So again, a very spacious bedroom, a whole king size bed. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of Hiranandani Westgate by House of Hiranandani. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual sales office. Right behind me is the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside and showing you the main road, the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But here is the actual land parcel. You can even have a look at that. Now let's go outside. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now, you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 25 acres with 12 towers, currently launching 6 towers with ground plus 55 floors with configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK. Talking about amenities, this project has 60 plus world-class amenities including temperature controlling swimming pool, aqua gym, 2 acres of forest gardens, kids play area and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in Wagbil Road, Thane West. As you can see, I'm standing at the main road. This road leads you to Gorbandar Road. Check out the neighborhood. With Gorbandar Road at a distance of just 100 meters, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 7 kilometers, and Vijay Garden Metro Station is at a distance of just 5 minutes. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 1095 square feet. As we enter, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. And then to your right is the kitchen. Come have a look at the kitchen. So right here is going to be your very spacious kitchen where you get 2 sides of platform. There's so much of walkable space in this kitchen, and the best part is that they've taken care of your microwave and oven space separately. And right besides that is your double door refrigerator space, so there's no issue of space at all in this kitchen. Now let's go check out the living room. As we go ahead, right here is your very spacious living room. Just look at the space in this room, so much of walkable space. And then right here is your dining table space. So a 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate in this place. Right there is your French window with attached balcony. Have a look at the balcony. Such a spacious balcony where you can easily have your coffee center, enjoy your tea, coffee, your morning yoga. Now let's go and check the bedrooms. Moving ahead, right here is your bedroom number 1. Come have a look. So this is your very spacious bedroom. After placing a whole king size bed also, there's good amount of walkable space in this room. And then the best part is that you get French window attached with the balcony which was in the hall. So this is the running balcony which goes on from the hall till bedroom number 1. And then right here, this whole wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space. So a good amount of space for storage also is taken care of. Now let's go check out the other room. But before that, right here is your common washroom. Again, a very spacious common washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Moving ahead, let's go check out our second bedroom, which is your kids' bedroom. So right here is going to be your very cute kids' bedroom. 2 separate beds are placed, and still there's so much of walkable space. You can see there are 2 different beds. And then right in front of the bed is your study table for your kids so they can do their homework, study. And again, then you get half French window attached for ventilation purpose in your kids' room. And then right there in front is your wardrobe space for your kids, so there is no issue of storage at all. And then your kids get their separate attached washroom to their room. Have a look at it. Again, a very spacious washroom. You get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom, but before that let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. Now let's go and check out the master bedroom. So as we enter, to your right is your attached washroom. Again, a very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then moving ahead is going to be your bedroom. So again, a very spacious bedroom, a whole king size bed is placed, and there's still so much of walkable space on both the sides in the front of the room. Have a look at the space. Right here is your study area, or you can say your workplace, where you can do your meetings, read books. Again, half French window attached with good ventilation purpose. And then right in front is going to be a wardrobe space, so a whole wall dedicated for a wardrobe space. So every room in this house is very well planned and designed and is quite spacious. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of Hiranandani West Gate located in Thane West. To get more information about this very amazing property, do check the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.